In this video, let us see about streamline, streakline, and pathline. First, we'll see about streamline. It is an imaginary curve which is everywhere tangent to local instantaneous velocity field. So here instantaneous, this word should be noted, instantaneous. So what is instantaneous? Fluid will be flowing, fluid particles will be flowing everywhere in a path, and if we draw tangent to every particle, and if we draw a line joining all these particles at any particular instant, for example t seconds, so at t second this particles will be in this position, and as per definition, if any streamline is in this way, so if we consider any point, drawing a tangent at this point on this curve gives us velocity in this direction. At this instant, the particle will be having velocity in this direction. If we consider a particle here, and if we draw a tangent, so velocity will be in this direction at particular instant. So if here, velocity will be in this direction. So at first second, there will be streamlines like this, and in second, the streamlines may be different. So streamlines differs for every instant. So for unsteady flow, streamlines are different at each instant. For unsteady flow, the properties changes with respect to time. So for t1 second, the properties are different, and for t2 second, the properties are different. That is unsteady flow. So that streamlines also change at every instant for unsteady flow. Streamlines do not intersect themselves. We have seen that if we draw a tangent at any point, that will be velocity of this particle in that direction at that instant. So if the if the streamlines are intersecting, this is one streamline and this is another streamline. If we consider a particle here, tangent to this streamline is in this direction, and tangent to this streamline will be in this direction. Sorry. So tangent to this is in this direction, and tangent to this is in this direction. A particle cannot move in two directions at same instant. So these streamlines cannot intersect each other. Converging of streamlines indicate accelerated flow in that direction. So if the streamlines are in this way, so this indicates an accelerated flow. So velocity is less here. Here velocity will be more. So this is an accelerated flow. So what is the equation of streamline? So example, the streamline is in this way, and if we draw a tangent at this particular point, that will be this one, and the velocity is v bar. So here let me say velocity is equal to u I cap v j cap plus w k cap, and let us say this tangent, so this tangent is dr. So dr is equal to, this is the displacement thing, x I bar, sorry, dx I bar dy j bar plus dz k bar. And as we see, the direction, these both are collinear. This v direction and dz dr direction both are same, and they are collinear to each other. And we know that cross product of two vectors is equal to modulus of v bar and modulus of dr bar sine theta into a normal vector n. So here this theta is equal to 0 degrees. Since both are collinear, theta is equal to 0, then v bar cross dr bar. So sine theta is, theta is 0, so sine theta will be 0 into 0. Sorry, this is equal to into 0 into normal vector, so that will be 0. So how to represent this, how to write this cross product in terms of this u, v, w and dx dy dz. So I, j, k, and then v bar cross dr bar. V is u, v, w, and dr is dx, dy, dz. So modulus of this, which is equal to 0. So if we expand this, so I bar into v dz minus w dy plus minus j bar into u dz minus w dx plus k bar into u dy minus v dx, which is equal to 0. 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. So equating this, v dz is equal to w dy, and the second term is u dz is equal to w dx, and this third term u dy is equal to v dx. So equating this to 0, equating this to 0, and equating this to 0, we will be getting this. From this, dz divided by w is equal to dy by v. Here dz by w is equal to dx by u, and dy by v is equal to dx by u. From these three equations, we can say that dx by u is equal to dy by v is equal to dz by w. So this is the equation of streamline. Equation of streamline. This is very, very, very important equation of streamline. Dx by u is equal to dy by v is equal to dz by w. And some objective questions may be asked in this. If the streamlines are in this way, so parallel straight streamlines, then acceleration, what will be the acceleration? There will be no acceleration. So this is the case of no acceleration. If the streamlines are converging, it indicates that the flow is converging. So as the flow converges, acceleration is present. So which acceleration is present? Convective tangential acceleration. Convective tangential acceleration exists. Convective tangential acceleration exists. So what is convective acceleration? Tangential acceleration is change of velocity, change of magnitude of velocity, and convective acceleration is velocity change with respect to space coordinates. So here velocity is changed, and here the velocity is different. The velocity is not changing with respect to time, but the velocity is changing with respect to space coordinates. And the next thing is parallel curved streamlines. Parallel curved streamlines. So this indicates normal convective acceleration. Normal convective acceleration exists. And if it is converging, then this is the case of normal. There is normal acceleration, and also tangential, normal and tangential convective acceleration. Convective acceleration exists. We do not know about temporal acceleration. This is because the streamlines are at any particular instant. These are not at all instances. These are at a particular instance the velocity flow is given. So we know only about the convective acceleration, and we do not know about this temporal or local acceleration. And next we will see path line. So the definition of path line is, it is the actual path traversed by a single fluid particle over some time period. So if there is a pipe this way and the fluid is flowing in this pipe, if I consider any particular particle, so at time t is equal to 0 seconds and at time t is equal to 5 seconds. So in this duration, this particle traveled at t1, at first second it has traveled up to here, and at second, and at third second, fourth second, and 5th second, finally it reaches here. So if I trace this path, this is called as path line. So the streamline is at any instant, all particles path at that instant, This is called as streamline. And what is path line? Single particle. We are considering only single particle at all instances. That is called as path line. So that is the difference between streamline and path line. And the next is streak line. Streak line is also called as filament line. Locus of particles which had earlier passed through a chosen point. So what does it mean is, for example, there is a room here and there is entrance in this way. There are 5 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one is entering, this one is entering from here. So after entering, and he reaches this point. And next 2 is entering from here, and from this point to this. So this is 2. And another person, 3, is entering straight from here and reaches here. And next 4 is entering from here, reaches here. This is 4. And 5th person is entering from here and reaches this point 5. So here the time is t is equal to 0 second, and for example here the time is, suppose, t is equal to 5th second. So in 5 seconds these persons have reached these positions. So first person from here to here, second from here to here, and likewise third, fourth and fifth. If we join all these endpoints, so if we join all these endpoints, that will be streak line. That is called as streak line. So streak line with respect to this point. So if we consider any point here, in time t, suppose delta t seconds, so in delta t seconds, what are the particles that will be passing through this point? For example, so this is one particle that is traversed from this position to this position in delta t seconds, and there is second particle. So this position to this position, this is first one, and there is third particle, this position to this, and suppose there is fourth particle, this is fourth particle. And these 4 particles have traveled through this point, this considered point. We have considered this point, and these 4 particles have traveled from initial position to final position in delta t seconds. If we join all these points, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these points, all these end points that came from this point is called as streak line. So these are the differences between streamline, path line, and streak line. There is an important point. So for steady flow, streamline, streak line, and path line are same. For steady flow, remember this, for steady flow, streamline, streak line, and path line are the same. So this is about streamline, streak line, and path line.